Here are funniest fails in sports. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. A runner runs into a 3-foot pole at turning and smashes his goods into it at a marathon. He sits there in agony. A bodybuilder was walking off the stage and he didn't see the end of it, and this happened. A girl fails to start a 100-yard race as she falls twice right at the starting line. Unsure if she even wants to continue, she still went with it. In an amateur school baseball game, a girl took off to catch the ball, but apparently she was too committed and ran straight into the fence. This gymnast breaks a springboard and overshoots his mark and slams into the judge's table. Fortunately, he came out unscratched.
I've never seen a springboard break like that.
A few weeks ago, we were here for a Monday Night Football. Boys season doesn't go the way it was expected to. Blame that guy.
When skydiving in Australia, the danger comes after you land. During a bobsledding competition, Nikita Elena misses her sled and continues to stumble down the track. This muscular fan can't seem to open a water bottle no matter how hard he tries. Joe Mixon was in the middle of it, where he accidentally took down a referee with his helmet while celebrating. This pigeon was in a soccer game when it accidentally got hit by the ball. American football player George Kittle was in a boat with his opponent in a hilarious way that he was also laughing the whole time. During a volleyball game, a group of women started celebrating and huddled before the point being called because the opponent team saved the ball and scored against the prematurely celebrating team. A cart which was not operated by anyone took out a group of people who were standing in a football stadium. The tech guy then appeared and jumped in the wagon to stop it from causing more carnage. An axe bounced back off the surface of the target board towards the woman who threw it. Luckily, she dodges it completely. A stranger showed some smooth criminal skills as he did this. Using a dirty trick quickly backfired on Nadia Kasim as Ji Young Kim landed a hard left fist on her face seconds after in their UFC fight. A professional pole vaulter botched her vault as she failed to stick the pole in the ground. This hilarious fail happened on live television while a Fox reporter was reporting, and this happened. Speaking of reporters getting hit in the face, another reporter was caught live, but this time in a football match. However, she kind of saw it coming but realized it very late. Two boys playing basketball sounds innocent enough until one of them volunteers to have the ball dunked over him. Everything went wrong from there. In a tennis match, one of the ball boys was hit straight in the groin with the foul serve from Feliciano Lopez. Really looks painful, but he seems to have recovered from it quickly. Women weightlifting went so wrong as she couldn't handle the weight on the barbell. This guy didn't expect this would happen to him when he removed the weights. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.